ICC Champions Trophy 2025, match number 12, India versus New Zealand. Match played at Dubai International Cricket Stadium, Dubai. New Zealand won the toss, elected to field first. India 50 overs, 249 runs, 9 wicket lost. India team highest scorer Sharias Iyer 98 balls, 79 runs. Then New Zealand team top bowling spell Matt Henry 8 overs, no maiden, 42 runs, 5 wicket lost. New Zealand 45.3 overs, 205 runs, all out. New Zealand team highest scorer Ken Williamson 120 balls, 81 runs. Then India team best bowling figure Varun Chakraborty 10 overs, no maiden, 42 runs, 5 wickets taken. India won by 44 runs in this match. Player of the match Varun Chakraborty. Congratulations India cricket team.